Where does the name for Bryn Gwenallt come from? So today I'm on Bryn Gwenallt. It's a slightly smaller hill just by Tanagopa, Castell Cawr in Abergele in Conwy County. So the name's made of three parts. Bryn, which means a hill, and comes from the Proto-Celtic word brwsw, which means a breast, actually. And it's also the ancestor word to the Welsh word brawn, which also means a breast or chest. Then we have Gwen, which is the feminine form of Gwyn, which means white, and that's from the Proto-Celtic word windos, meaning white. And then we have Allt, which means a cliff, a small cliff or a very steep slope. So literally it means the hill of the white slope. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, share it with your friends, and if you want to support me on my quest, my pilgrimage to explain every single place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.